Yes, before we do anything, I would like to remind you guys, don't go away from this video without leaving me a like, please.
Morris, the Crochet.
Alright, yes, welcome. My name is Morris, the Crochet Master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. Yes, Clippers with Z. And we are located in Intinda, Ministers Village, that is in Kampala City. Still, we have a branch in Mbarara City, and that is in Kamkuzi behind BAM petrol section. So if you'd like our services, you can always come, and you get it at Hair by Clippers. And this is Hair by Clippers, Clippers with Z. So that is how we do it. Still, we have the institute. If you want to learn on the ground, like live with us, you can always come at Clippers house, yes, and learn with us, Hair by Clippers Technical Institute. And very soon I'm launching the online classes, yes, for you guys who are very far from me. So I hope you have to get all that, and it's not going to take this month. I think within this month we shall be launching our online courses, so get ready for that. Yes, another thing, I would like you guys to go right in my comment section, tell me where you're watching me from, and please I beg you, don't forget to like the video. Yes, I feel good when you do that. And please, if you tell me where you're watching me from, trust me, I'll be there to see it, and maybe we can chat more about all that. So big up to every return subscriber. Yo, if you're still new here, just know we do different types of hairstyles, and you need to learn all these. So please join me and we start this tutorial together. I hope you guys, most of you, know how to do this stitch, and there's nothing that we need to do here, but let me try to be speedy so that we can understand the thing that we are going to do in this hairstyle.
Morris, the Crochet Master, didn't make you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the Crochet Master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The Crochet Master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no. Nobody do it like Morris. The Crochet Master. He got the touch of a Crochet Master. Yeah. No. Morris got the touch of a Crochet Master. No. He got the touch of a Crochet Master. Yeah. A touch of a Crochet Master, Morris, yeah. You got the touch of a Crochet Master, Morris, yeah, Crochet Master.
Right, and now when I reach here, I'm still going to show you how we can do this type of a cornrow. And this is most of you guys call it pencil, yes. And it is different from the yarn cornrows and these other cornrows that we always do. So the updo cornrows, all those ones, this is different from that, because this one I do it on the side, you understand. So, and all these are going to be in the online classes, because I realized that this is more long lasting than those other cornrows. The way I'm plating it, you can see it is not like the other ones. So we have to learn all these.
Jangu, you are Crochet Master. Come on. Jangu. master. Crochet master. A little loving, oh you gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Tomukono mukugo kumaniche kukora. Kitakiwa crochet master, yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius, akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, you are crochet master. Come on. Jangu, together. Crochet master. Maurice. Yeah, one time, you know. Youngster. Oh na. Yeah. One time, baby. Yeah. Hey, baby Chana, ya pretty Chana. Olabi kabulunji uma baby Chana. Okole dewa kavidi kwe koyoresa. Manicure pedicure anga tabu.
So right, after we're done, this is the spring twist from the Gina collection. Yes, the spring twist. This is how it looks. So I just have to make sure that I cut it into 3. Then here we're going to start our crocheting. So I make sure that I first remove this. Yeah, you can use any type of a gel that you have. Those ones who with lace jam, those ones with shine and jam, the osat. Yes, all those ones they can do these, and even there is even go to be. There are a lot of gels that you can always use, and it depends on the different types of your hair, because there are those ones who have those really hard natural hair. For the baby hair is always the baby hair. And now here in front, after we're done with all that, this is our MDC hair product, the anti-itch. We always apply it in there, yes, to make sure that we don't get all the itching. And then we start our crochet. This is how it is going to be. So I'm just crocheting the whole head, and you see how it is going to be. So let's do it.
My baby Chana, okole dewa kavidi kwe koyoresa. Manicure pedicure anga tabu. Basi bubiri mwato buliyo. Basi be misono mwato jiriko. Hair by clippers we baliko. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, balloon. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Like expected. Yeah. Oh na. It like expected. Yeah. They want crochet master. A big one. Yeah. Oh na. Yeah. Hair by clippers. Oh na. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. Oh no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking.
So when I'm done with everything, here we're just going to be cutting. And now cutting is very easy for us. Yeah, you just cut according to what you want. Yeah, most of the times it is hard for me to teach you how to trim this, but you always have to trim according to the style that you feel in your head that you're going to do. So for that one, After all that, we add the moss, and this moss is going to help us keep the cows very firm and very nice. So that is the use of the moss. And no matter how the almost hair moss, that can also do that. So when I'm done with everything, this is how the amazing my hairstyle is going to look, and it's very simple. I love it. Yeah, for now, let me sign out, guys, but don't forget to like the video, and if you have a comment, tell me where you're watching me from. I'll be there to reply you. Yes, bye bye, see you in my other next video, and may God bless you.
Master, yeah. A touch of a crochet master, Maurice, yeah. You got the touch of a crochet master.